Now, RGB lighting has become pretty much the must-have now on any gaming system. There's a lot of products out there that will give you RGB, from your fans to LED lights, even to things like your graphics cards now. And one of the if you used to watching my channel, you'll know that I tend to look at some of the Coolmoon products. Now, Coolmoon produce a lot of things. They are a Chinese company. They produce fans, AIO systems, and they're all really RGB orientated. But one of the things I've been after for a while, and I've managed to get some, are these. Now, these are Coolmoon LED strips that will plug into the existing Coolmoon systems that you have, and we're going to give them a bit of an unboxing to show you what you actually get. So I was quite excited actually about getting these LED strips because I'd been after them for a while, and up till now I've been making my own and using new plugs to be able to plug into the Coolmoon systems. But I managed to see these online and I grabbed them pretty quick. These are Coolmoon Diamond Ray 27-inch LED strips, and they're ARGB, so they'll actually match in with any system and you can program them to do pretty much whatever you want. If we look at the packaging, it's quite different to all the other Coolmoon products. They actually do have a model number, which is a bit unique for some of the Coolmoon stuff, and they have all the specifications you need on the back. And it's not too bad. If we open them up, we'll see that they actually come with a plastic insert to keep everything safe. Again, that's quite unique for some of the Coolmoon stuff because a lot of their fans just come bouncing around in a box. And the products themselves are built really, really well. They are constructed out of a bit of aluminium tubing with plastic ends to keep everything protected, and they have a length of wire with a Coolmoon plug on the end. Now, I have found out what types of plugs they do use on Coolmoon, so you can rewire these any way you want, and they'll just basically be able to plug into any 3-pin ARGB connection if you change the ends. The coating on the top is what they call Diamond Ray on these, which again is different for Coolmoon products because generally they have the diffuser white plain kind of setting on most of their products, but for this one they actually have this diamond glass kind of effect, which is really good to see as well. And one of the most impressive features that I've found with these, so instead of sticking them in like I have done in this system in the past, they come on magnetic strips, so you can pretty much stick them anywhere you like, and they're completely removable. Now, being a Coolmoon product, you do generally have to use their controller, although like I say, you can cut the ends off and change the plugs if you want to, but they will hook in straight into a current Coolmoon controller system. Now, the Coolmoon controllers generally come with 10 fan connectors and 2 LED strips, which is exactly what this is for. If I hit the power, turn on this controller, you'll see that it starts lighting up, and we'll plug in this LED here. Now, as you can see, the actual diamond effect diffuses the light very well, and it actually gives it a really good kind of much more expensive look than they actually cost. Now, because it's in your controller, you'll be able to also change the colours of them to match everything else in your system that's plugged into the controller. You'll also be able to go through many different effects just like you can with the fan system, and because of the magnetic ability you can stick them anywhere in your system that you want. Now, as a product, I'm actually really impressed with these. I have built some of these in my past to be able to plug into the actual controller systems themselves using ends that I've managed to save off of old fans, and they generally come out to about the same cost. These cost about £7 each from the UK. You could probably get them cheaper on some of the Chinese websites, and to build my own I've roughly added it up to about the same, so these are not a bad purchase at all. So if you want to add some kind of RGB lighting to your system and you have a Coolmoon controller already built in, make sure you take a look at these because they'll hook straight into the system and I think you'll be quite impressed.